Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Trading 212 application on your iPhone device. If this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like on the video and a subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So I have my iPhone right here, and basically the Trading 212 app is on the bottom left of my device. I'm going to launch the application, and let's just say for the example of this video that it was continuously loading, or there was glitches and bugs and basically issues when you run the application. What you could do is swipe up, and once you're on the home screen, what you need to do is basically press from the bottom and swipe up until you're greeted with this page with all of the currently open applications that are running on your device. From there, what you can do is find the Trading 212 app and then press and hold it. And then from there, press and hold it and swipe up. And that's actually going to close down the Trading 212 app on your device so that we can go back to the home screen, find Trading 212 again, press into there. It's going to relaunch the application. And then from there, hopefully that fixes the issues and bugs by basically closing down the application and reopening it on your device. However, from there, if you're still experiencing difficulties, it might be a problem with you not being connected to a stable internet source. And you can check this by going to the settings. For me, the settings is on the top part of my home screen. Click in there, go down to the Wi-Fi section, and then just double check that you're connected to solid internet connection like I am right here. This is home EE Wi-Fi with full bars. However, you can also connect to a personal hotspot, or even just back out of here and go to the mobile data sections or the cellular data sections. And then from there, the top toggle is for mobile data. Make sure that it's toggled on. And then the section just below that, mobile data options, go in there and confirm that data roaming is also toggled on as well. Because if it isn't, Trading 212 app will not be able to work effectively for you. However, if you're still experiencing problems, then please go back out of here, go to the first section of the settings page, and then scroll down to General, and then find iPhone storage. And what we're looking to do is to clear all of the cache from the application on your device. And we can do that by going to the iPhone storage and then find the Trading 212 application. So I've scrolled down and found Trading 212. You want to click in there and then press the offload blue text button. When you press that, it comes up with this screen right here. Confirm by pressing offload app again. And then that is going to clear all of the cache from this application. Now you can press the reinstall app in blue text, and then that's going to reinstall the Trading 212 app back onto your iPhone device. However, if none of these solutions actually have worked for you, what you need to do now as a last resort, the last step, is basically press the delete app button. It's the red text button. Press delete app and then confirm again by pressing delete app in red text at the bottom. And that's going to completely remove the Trading 212 app on your device. And now you have to go back to the App Store and find Trading 212 by pressing the search page at the bottom right. And then up at the top, start typing in Trading 212. Press search on the bottom right. And then from there, scroll up and find the first organic link for Trading 212. And on the right-hand side, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Press that, and it's going to re-download the Trading 212 application on your iPhone device. And hopefully that fixes all of the bugs for you. So guys, if none of these solutions have worked at all, what you need to do now is contact Trading 212 directly themselves. And you can go into their website and find either a phone number, an email address, or a live chat option and walk them through all of the things that you're experiencing, and hopefully they can come up with a solution directed exactly for your situation. However, if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is comment down below on this video, tell me exactly what's going wrong for your specific situation, and then I'll be able to come back with a solution tailored for you specifically. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you're now able to actually reuse the Trading 212 app effectively. If this video has been helpful, then I would really appreciate a like on the video and a subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.